Allow yourself to arrive here, just as you are. No need to change anything. No need to feel a certain way. Simply notice that you are here, listening to the rain. Let your body settle into the place that is holding you. Feel the surface beneath you, the quiet weight of your body, the small points of contact, your feet, your legs, your back, your hands. And now, bring your attention gently to the sound of the rain, not trying to name it, not trying to understand it, just listening. You may hear soft tapping, a steady patter, drops touching glass, leaves, earth, roof, stone. Each sound arrives and disappears. Nothing to hold, nothing to follow, just rain. Let your breathing become easy. You do not need to breathe deeply. You do not need to control it. Just notice the breath as it moves. Cool air coming in, warm air leaving. The rain continues. The breath continues. And for now, that is enough. Notice where your body feels soft. Maybe the shoulders, the jaw, the belly, the hands. And notice where your body feels tight. No need to fix it. Just let that place be included. Nothing needs to be solved right now. The rain does not ask you to hurry. Listen again, not only to the loudest sound, but to the spaces between the sounds, the softer layers, the quiet underneath. Some drops fall close. Some fall farther away. Some sounds are sharp. Some are round and soft. Let your awareness open, like a window, receiving the rain, receiving this moment. If thoughts come, let them pass through gently, like clouds moving behind the rain. You do not have to push them away. You do not have to follow them. Just return to the sound. Rain falling, breath moving, body resting. Now allow the rain to become your anchor. Each drop, a small invitation to be here. Here in this body. Here in this breath. Here in this quiet listening. You might notice the air around you, its temperature, its stillness, its softness on your skin. You might notice the feeling of your clothes, the texture against your body, the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Everything simple, everything allowed. Let the rain wash through the edges of your attention, softening the day, softening the noise inside. There is nothing to perform here, nothing to prove, only listening, only being. And if your mind has wandered, that is okay. That is what minds do. The moment you notice, you are already back. Back to the rain, back to the breath, back to the quiet presence of your body. Let yourself receive the rhythm, drop by drop, moment by moment. The rain falls without effort. The body breathes without effort. And you can rest inside this gentle rhythm. Now begin to sense the room or space around you, the air, the sounds, the surface beneath you. Notice your hands, your feet, the weight of your body. Let your breath become a little clearer, a little more present. You may gently move your fingers or shift your shoulders, only if it feels natural. The rain may continue. The world may continue. And you can carry a little of this quiet with you. A soft listening, a slower breath, a steadier place inside. When you are ready, return to your day gently. No rush, no pressure, just this next breath and the sound of the rain.